Hello my fellow YouTubing biologists, I'm Hunter Black, and today I'll be explaining to you about microbes and biotechnology. Now, you may be asking yourselves, but Hunter, what exactly are microbes and biotechnology? Well, that's what this video is about, explaining what they are, how they affect humans, and making sure you remember this knowledge by giving you some examples. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll start with microbes. Microbes are tiny organisms that are too small to see without a microscope. However, just because they're small doesn't mean there aren't many of them around. In fact, they live just about everywhere you look, assuming you have microscopic glasses, that is.
They live in air, soil, rocks, and water. Some exist only in scorching hot areas, such as the Sahara Desert, while others can just as easily live in freezing cold areas, such as Antarctica. As well as surviving on the planet itself, believe it or not, some also survive by living in plants, animals, and even human beings.
Some of these microbes are dangerous and can even cause diseases. Now, just because some of them are bad doesn't mean that they all are. In fact, some of them are actually essential to human life, and without them, we wouldn't be able to live healthy lives or even exist in some cases. To help you understand this knowledge a bit better, here's a trailer to a movie from Longtail.net called Microbe Invasion.
We live in a microbial world. Every day, we're exposed to billions of invading bacteria and other microscopic creatures. But after years of trying to exterminate or exclude them, scientists now realize many of them are allies, not enemies. Some are so essential to us, we should consider them as a vital human organ. Scientists argue that instead of waging a war on bugs, in many cases, we should welcome the microbe invasion.
Let's take a look at how people view these microbes. Most microbes are categorized in one of four major groups: bacteria, viruses, fungi, or protozoa. Most people simply refer to microbes as germs or a bug when they are sick. As science has advanced, so has our knowledge of microbes. We already know that microbes can cause diseases, but can you name any? Here are several examples of what types of infectious diseases are caused by microbes as proven by science: cancer, coronary artery disease, diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and even chronic lung diseases.
Let's see if you've been keeping up so far. To help you obtain as much knowledge as possible without going back into the video or scrolling down to the comments section, pause the video and see if you can answer these four questions on the screen. And now, it's time for the part that has helped humans since anyone can remember. That's right, it's time for biotechnology. But before we get into biotechnology, let's hear a little bit of history on it, which will be followed up by a video. When humans found out that they could grow their own crops and breed their own animals, they found out they could use biotechnology. When bakers found out that they could make delicious, soft bread instead of thin crackers, they learned too how to use biotechnology. When animal breeders realized the different effects of breeding certain animals with each other and the different physical traits such as height, hair/fur color, etc. could be magnified or decreased, they too learned how to manipulate biotechnology. So you may be asking, wait Hunter, what exactly is biotechnology? Well, loyal YouTubers, I'll tell you. There are many things that come to mind when someone says biotechnology.
However, biotechnology is the use of living organisms, such as plants and animals, or their products to change human health and the environment around us.
Usually for the better. Now, before you say, wait Hunter, that's animal/environmental cruelty. Well, you're not exactly correct. You see, while it's true that biotechnology is usually used to help humans, it also helps the environment around us. So it's all good. Here's a video that explains the effects of some biotechnology. It's your favorite time again! Without going back to the video or scrolling down to the comments section, pause the video and see if you can answer these 4 questions. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. However, to give you a great conclusion, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a little video here on YouTube. The link will be down in the description, as well as all of the other pictures and all of the other videos. This is Hunter Black, signing off. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.
You're talking about the only deadly agent that is really widespread like that.
There's a drug that can cure Lassa fever, but only if it's given early. And because the disease is hard to diagnose, people haven't sought treatment.